In today's interconnected digital world, you've probably heard of the term webhook thrown around quite a bit. But exactly what is a webhook? Well, it may sound complex, but in reality, it is a fundamental element of modern web applications. In simple terms, you can understand a webhook as a message or notification that a computer system sends to another system when something specific happens. It's a way for different programs or services to talk to each other in real time. Let's understand what are webhooks with some examples. Number 1, order confirmation email in e-commerce platforms. Imagine you bought something on Amazon and you receive an email immediately confirming your purchase. This confirmation email is sent via a webhook. When you complete the purchase, the online store's system triggers a webhook to tell the email service to send you that confirmation. Next up, social media notifications. When someone likes your Instagram photo or comments on your Facebook post, you get a notification on your phone. These notifications are again sent through webhooks. The social media platform uses webhooks to tell your phone to show you the new activity. And then there's also number 3, chat apps like Slack, WhatsApp, etc., where in any group chat app, when someone sends a message, everyone in that group receives it instantly. This happens because the chat app uses webhooks to send messages to all the members as soon as someone types in and hits send. So overall, we can state that webhooks are like messengers between different computer systems, letting them communicate in real time to perform actions or send information when certain events occur. This ensures they are always up to date and synchronized. Now that you have the basic understanding of what a webhook is, it's crucial to distinguish it from another commonly used term in the tech world, APIs. So here are the key differences between APIs versus webhooks. So an API stands for Application Programming Interfaces and are a set of rules and specifications that allows two applications to communicate with each other. APIs are typically used by developers to build applications that can interact with other applications. And APIs are typically accessed through REST or Representational State Transfer or SOAP, which stands for Simple Object Access Protocol Interface. While webhooks are a way for an application to send real-time data to another application. Webhooks are typically triggered by an event such as new user signing up for a service. And when an event is triggered, the webhook sends a post request to other application with all the relevant data. Lastly, webhooks are event-driven, while APIs are request-driven. Next, to grasp the concept fully, it's vital to break down the structure of a webhook. A webhook's structure involves key components and steps for real-time data transfer between two applications. These include number 1, event trigger, which is the initial action or event in the source application. Number 2, payload, which is the data associated with the event. Number 3, callback URL, which is an endpoint in the target application to receive data. These three form the key components of a webhook structure. And next, number 4, HTTP post request, wherein the payload is sent as post request to the callback URL. Number 5, listener at callback URL. This is when target applications listens for incoming post requests. Number 6, data processing, wherein the target application processes the data as needed. Number 7, response, which is optional, and in this, target app may send an acknowledgement response. Number 8, error handling. These are mechanisms for dealing with communication errors. Number 9, security considerations. This includes secure connections, authentication, and data validation, ensuring data integrity and safety. In all, this structure enables real-time communication and automation between applications. Now, you must be wondering, what will happen if the callback URL is down when a webhook is triggered? Well, the answer is that if the callback URL is unavailable when a webhook is triggered, the data is typically lost. That's why it is crucial to ensure the reliability of your callback endpoint to avoid missing important updates. Lastly, don't forget that webhooks come with a host of advantages, including real-time updates, reduced latency, resource efficiency, and enhanced user experience. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, feel free to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.